Hey guys, Royal Fanner here, and today I'm at the 3rd Avenue Ferro Crossing in Great Falls, Montana. BNSF 2092 had just passed. As you can see, you might not see it, he's crossing Bay Drive right now. This crossing is located on the Laurel branch. No, not Laurel, Laurel subdivision that goes from here all the way down to Laurel, Montana. And we're at the end of the subdivision. So, yeah, the first signal here, we have a safe tram base. Then we have a safe tram gate mechanism. There's the emergency information. The dot number is 077-830T. The lights on the signal are some safe tram 12 by 20-inch lights with incandescents in them. There's the incandescents, if you could see that. It has Ricoh gate lights, which are LED, and a Safe Tram Type 2 electronic bell, which used to be a Safe Tram mechanical bell, but was replaced about 2-3 years ago. That way is facing north towards which over there is the end of the subdivision, just past that curve, and it then meets with the Fort Benton branch line. Then goes on that bridge over there and goes into the yard. And in case you're wondering, there's the curve where that train derailed back in August. And down facing that way is 13th Street, and Laurel and Belt. Yeah, no, so there is a second track at this crossing, as you can see, which that track there goes down to a local business, and right here's another one which hasn't seen no trains yet since there's as you can see, there's snow still on the track. The second signal here, it has a safe tram base, a safe tram gate mechanism. There's the emergency information right there, and the lights are more safe tram 12 by 20-inch lights, which I think are a older style because of that box that's around them, and it also has incandescents and also Ricoh gate lights on the gate right there. And over there is the relay case, just over there. And yeah, and so that was the 3rd Avenue Ferro Crossing in Great Falls, Montana, at milepost 224.21 on the Laurel subdivision. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I'll see you down the line.